Our top story this morning on Good Morning Britain. Hundreds of people are dying from asthma because of failings by doctors, according to a new report. 3 people die from the condition every day in the UK. Katie Fawcett is in Birmingham. Katie, the Royal College of Physicians claims the majority of those deaths could be prevented.
Well, shockingly, yes, Susanna. And for asthma sufferers, the dangers are all around. You may remember just last month that blanket of smog that engulfed the country. Well, according to the World Health Organization, there were actually at least 5 days last year when air pollution reached dangerous levels in cities like Birmingham, Manchester, Liverpool and London. And those kind of conditions may well leave asthma sufferers grabbing for one of these, an inhaler. However, this report says that many people are being given the wrong medication. They're being given relievers rather than preventative medicines, and that is what is contributing to their deaths. Shockingly, children in particular, most of them had errors in their medication and could potentially have been saved.
6-year-old Henry has just been diagnosed with asthma. He controls it with strong medication, but the whole family knows an attack could come at any time.
On a day-to-day we have a puffer which controls him pretty well, but obviously at this time of year when there's a lot of pollen around it does make it much worse. When it's exacerbated and he's really struggling, it's extremely worrying.
More than 5 million people in the UK are currently being treated for asthma. Every year it kills the equivalent of a classroom full of children, making the UK among the worst countries in Europe for asthma deaths. One of the problems is doctors over-prescribing certain medication. Patients should only need 3 blue reliever inhalers each year. Today's report found that in extreme cases, some had been prescribed as many as 50.
This is basic. We're not asking for new treatments or anything fancy. What we just want is the good, basic routine care according to the guidelines.
But the fear is that if care doesn't improve, more people with asthma will die needlessly.